What's up, guys? Bingo here with another unboxing of a football hobby box, which is the Topps Merlin 23 to 24. And so this features Champions League, Europa League, and Conference League players for the 23 and 24 season. And we're supposed to have one chrome autograph card per box. It's the first time I'm opening a Merlin, and I didn't really know about Merlin because, I'm quite new to this hobby. So the thing looks, the design, the theme looks pretty cool. It's like a medieval kind. I think Merlin is supposed to be like a, what do you call that? Like a company that was acquired by Topps or something. Hit me up in the comments if like what's the thing with Merlin, or it's just a different type of set that they have. Anyway, we got Foden, Musiala, and Gavi. Those are the players that I'm familiar with here in the cover. The one from Feyenoord and the Bayer Leverkusen. Yeah, I'm not familiar with them. Let's open this up. It's I think, let's see what we can have here. Rare Renaissance case hits. Okay, that's what we're looking for. And it's 18 packs per box and 4 cards per pack. Oh, this packaging is cool. It's actually nice. I mean, Panini is pretty nice, but what's this one? Oh, it's just an ad for their app or something. Those packs looks pretty clean. Very thin because it's like four cards per pack. So let's start with this. That's really, they should have just put more. Okay, we got Doku. They should really they didn't have to bother with like 4 cards per pack. They should have just added more cards per pack. So we're starting off with Min Jae Kim of Bayern Munich, Alexander Pavlovich, and then Jeremy Doku. We have 2 Jeremy Dokus, okay. Because, I saw it from the one from behind. We got a numbered Jeremy Doku 255 out of 299. The back, the thing with Topps cards is that the back looks pretty basic compared to Panini. But the front, the chrome design looks pretty nice. Okay, so we got a first good card. Merlin. Okay, next up, got spoiled with the Darwin Nunez, but Amoricho van Axel Dongen. What a name. Of Ajax. Shiro Immobile, and number Jude Bellingham 99. You're going to the, I have a Madrid bin. We're in just a bunch of Madrid cards which I'm never planning to keep. Just gonna sell them at one point. Let's not spoil ourselves. But yeah, the design looks, would have been cool if that was like other player. Come on Merlin. Bukayo Saka, Gustavi Isaacson, and we got this box is messing me. I'm sure this a numbered Luka Modric. This box is messing with me. Don't tell me the signature is gonna be like a Madrid player. Man, I'm sorry. This box is getting on my nerves. You just gave me back-to-back Madrid players as my insets or parallels or whatever. Samuel Chukwueze of AC Milan. Usman Diomande. Oh, there we go. We got our signature. It's Lucas Hernandez of PSG. Bruno, of course, we're gonna get a Bruno Fernandes. It's a thing. Can't get away from him. It's okay. It's not too bad. Bruno. Next up. So yeah, we got our. Oh, it's actually numbered. Signature autograph, which is nice. Lucas Hernandez of PSG. Okay, moving on. We got Lukaku, Calimundo, Nicolo Barella. That is nice border at the sides. And Joao Felix. We got a Barcelona player. It's a base, and it's not a Barcelona player anymore, but it's still a Barcelona player. From 23 to 24. It was pretty good, actually. If only we could afford him, we can't, so we have to let him go. Yankuba Minte, Phil Foden, Mbappe. We're still in PSG, okay. But sometimes I think in the life. Sometimes I think in the life. Gonzalo Ramos of PSG. Very competitive. You know, I got too much yellow card last season, and man, that thing, I can't get it out of my head. Mr. Offside, Kylian Mbappe. Oliver Villadsen. You saw the recent Classico, you would know. Shurandi Sambo. Kobe Mainu with the holographic parallel. Louis Miley. This is kind of, just give me 10 cards per pack or something. Another Jude. Noah Lang of PSV. Adamo Nagalo of club is that? Somewhere from Conference League. What club is that? FC Nordsjælland. Somewhere in Norway, I think. Gabriel Jesus. Nordsjælland sounds familiar. Okay, we got Facundo Buonanotte of Brighton. Micah Hamilton. Tajon Buchanan of Inter. He's Luis Diaz. We call him Lucho. We got Luis Diaz. Oh, Marcus Rashford at the back. Harry Kane. Ricardo Pagano. Osman Bukhari. Oh, those are all basics, okay. Those are all base cards. We call him Lucho. That chant is so amazing. Garnacho at the back. Oh, we get something in here that's a bit different. So let's see Garnacho first. Shan Longstaff. Trent Alexander-Arnold. And there we go. This box just redeemed itself. Lamine Yamal, Merlin's chosen ones. That looks sick. It looks so good. Bro. It's not numbered or anything, but that Lamine Yamal card is amazing. This box has just redeemed itself. I'll take it. It's a win. All I wanted. Lamine card. Jamal Musiala. Giancarlo Simic. Ooh, who's that? What is this? It's an insert. Samuel Eto'o. We getting the good Barcelona cards. That's what I want. Non-numbered. This is like what's this insert called? Ageless Alchemy. Eto'o. Legend. Yeah, actually go on top here. Eto'o. And then we got Kvicha Khabarachkhelia. Something like that. Khabarachkhelia. I have to research how to pronounce that now. I was just so curious. We got Lamine Yamal. We are good. Alexis McAllister. Alexander Isaac. And Mystic Knights. Victor Gyökeres. Forgot where are my things here. Morata at the back. Rafinha. There we go. Rafinha, our Brazilian wizard. It's really good this season. Grimaldo, La Masia graduate. Mystic Knights, Osimhen. Victor Osimhen. It's numbered? No. Alvaro Morata. They have like a cardboard here to pack. Okay. Karim Adeyemi. Zidane. I think that's Zidane's son, right? Lautaro Martinez. Fabian Ryder. Got a couple more boxes here. Ricardo Pepe. Chosen One, Andy Diouf of Lens. Already got my Lamine Yamal. Yusufa Mukoku and Elie Wahi. Second to the last pack. Dries Mertens. Kilindishi Hartman. What a name. And Jude. How many Bellingham do we have? Like 3? Bro. Ibrahim Osman. Last pack. Give me a Barcelona player. Make it an insert. 3. There we go. Kang In Lee, Korean winger. He's a winger, right? Playmaker. Oh, he's a playmaker. He's a winger. Vini Jr. Gavi. There we go. Got a Gavi. And Bendok. Okay, so overall, good box. I would say good. I would even say great. Because we got a couple of nice Barcelona players and a legend. So let's just line them up here. Madrid, get out! Get out of here. I don't need those. Ooh, my inserts. So we got a couple of inserts here. And including the autograph Theo Hernandez numbered. We got Eto'o. We got Lamine Yamal. Draw Felix, Rafinha, and a parallel Gavi. So overall, I'm happy with this box. It's nice, and I was happy with, like, there's quite a bunch of Madrid cards in here, which some of them are numbered as well. But hey, let's focus on the good ones. Anyway, that's all for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed it, and please like, subscribe, and comment down below if you opened this box. What did you get, and were you happy with it? I'll see you in the next one. On ya.